friends. It's another beautiful day. Let's go ahead and get our day started. That means I want you to stand up and put your hand over your heart, and we are going to say the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now to the side, let's say this together. I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. Good job, friends. It is time for circle time, which means the first thing we're going to do is stay standing up if we're not already standing up. And we are going to do our Days of the Week song.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Monday, get your monkey on, your monkey on, your monkey on. Monday, get your monkey on, your monkey on, your monkey on. Days of the week. Days of the week. Tuesday, get your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on. Roar, roar. Tuesday, get your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on. Roar, 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 roar. Days of the week. Days of the week. Wednesday, get your walrus on, your walrus on, your walrus on. Walrus, walrus. Wednesday, get your walrus on, your walrus on, your walrus on. Walrus, walrus. Days of the week. Days of the week. Thursday, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth. Thursday, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth. Days of the week. Days of the week. Friday, get your fishy on, your fishy on, your fishy on. Friday, get your fishy on, your fishy on, your fishy on. Days of the week. And days of the week. And Saturday is okay to bark like a dog. Saturday is okay to snort like a hog. And Sunday is the one day to chill with your chinchilla. Go ape like a gorilla with the ants and the antilla. It's always such a thriller. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Job, friends, doing their Days of the Week song. Now we need to talk about the name of the month. What is the name of the month, friends? It's November. It's November. Good job, friends. It's November. So now we need to talk about the days of the week in order. So we'll start with Sunday. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Okay. So, those are the days of the week in order. So let's talk about yesterday was the Thursday. Today is Friday. Today is Friday, which means tomorrow will be Saturday. Good. So, but today is Friday. Let's count to find out the date. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Today is Friday, November 20th, 2020. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Do we come to school on Saturdays? No. Do we come to school on Sundays? No. We'll be back on Monday with more videos. And then we do not have school Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday next week because it is the Thanksgiving holiday. Okay. Moving right along, let's talk about the weather today. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? So I am going to count back from 5. And if you haven't already seen what the weather is doing today, I want you to go check a window and see what the weather's doing, what the sky is doing. Okay? I'm going to count back from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so the weather today. The weather, remember, thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Good job. It is raining today. Oh, is that raining today? All right, how about, let's see. It is partly cloudy today. That means there are some clouds in the sky. No, it's not cloudy at all today. I don't see any clouds outside today. So that means, let's see this statement, whether it's a yes or no. It is sunny outside today. It is sunny outside today. Let's see. Yep, it's a super duper sunny day. We have had a beautiful week of weather. And although it's been sunny all week, yesterday it was definitely cold. Today, it's not feeling as cold today. The temperature outside is not as cold today as it was yesterday. All right, friends, our nursery rhyme this week is what? Humpty Dumpty. So let's say it together. Ready? Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. All right, let's do it one more time. Ready? Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Good job, friends. All right, let's move on to counting. Okay, so let's count to 15. You ready? Do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, and then now we need to count back, but we're going to count back from 10. Ready? Let's do it. Get your rockets ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, moving right along. Our shape of the week last week was a triangle. Good job. A triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 angles or corners. That is a triangle. A triangle. And our color of the week last week was black. Nice job. Our color of the week this week is orange. That pumpkin is orange. Oranges are orange. That flower is orange. And that fish is mostly orange. Good. And our shape of the week this week is an oval. Let's do it with our hand. It's an oval. It's a stretched out circle. Just trace that shape. It is an oval. Nice job. Oval. That watermelon looks like an oval. Those eggs look like ovals. This football looks like an oval. And this mirror is an oval. All right. So, last but not least, because it's actually not last, I have one more thing. But for this part of our circle time, we are going to stomp the alphabet. So are you ready to stomp the alphabet? All right, so stand up. Let's stand up. we're going to stomp the alphabet. Ready? We're going to stomp it. Ready? For every letter. All right, ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Nice job, friends. Nice job stomping, friends. We are going to now do something a little bit special. We're going to watch a little video about turkeys, turkey facts, because turkeys are a big part of Thanksgiving that's next week. So let's watch a quick video about turkeys.
There are lots of great fall decorations out in our neighborhood, and one of the most common ones Squeaks and I see are turkeys. You might know that turkeys are connected with Thanksgiving in the United States and Canada, and people sometimes raise them on their farms. But did you know that there are also wild turkeys? And they're pretty cool birds. There are lots of other fun things to know about turkeys too, from the sounds they make to how they eat to the little flaps of skin on their beaks. You might already know one of the sounds a turkey makes. On the count of 3, let's all try to make that sound. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Did you make a sound like this? Yes, turkeys say something that sounds like gobble gobble, but not all of them. Only the toms, the male turkeys, make that famous gobbling sound, and they only make it some of the time. Both tom turkeys and female turkeys, called hens, can make other sounds too, like this and this. So if you ever hear a turkey make that gobble gobble sound, you know it's a tom turkey. And I'm going to let you in on another secret about how to tell the toms and hens apart. Look at their poop. Yes, their poop. If a pile of turkey poop looks like a spiral, it came from a hen. If it looks more like the letter J or a question mark, then it came from a tom turkey. One thing that's the same about tom and hen turkeys is what they eat. Adult turkeys munch on things like berries and seeds, and even sometimes small animals like salamanders. But like all birds, turkeys don't have teeth, so they can't chew up their food the way we do. Instead, they have another body part that kind of does the same thing. It's called a gizzard, and it's a really important body part for turkeys and other birds. The gizzard is a small pouch that has a lot of muscle, and if we could see inside of the turkey's body, we could see that the gizzard is right here. A turkey's gizzard is full of tiny stones and pieces of other hard things like gravel. The turkey picks up these hard pieces from the ground and swallows them, and they stay in the gizzard. If a human tried to swallow a stone, it would be dangerous. But for a turkey, the stones in its gizzard act like teeth. When food gets into the gizzard, the muscles of the gizzard squeeze it, mixing the food with the stones inside. This mashes the food up and grinds it into smaller pieces. Then the turkey can use it for energy. The gizzard is just one of the neat body parts that a turkey has. And like the word gizzard, they're also pretty fun to say. Turkeys have 2 special body parts on their head. The flap of skin that hangs over the turkey's beak is called a snood, and the skin around the turkey's neck is called its wattle. Bird experts can tell a lot about how a turkey is feeling by looking at its snood and its wattle. The snood and wattle are normally kind of pink or red in color, but if the turkey's not feeling well, its snood and wattle get lighter in color, and if the turkey is scared, they can even turn blue. Okay, time for one more turkey fact. You might have heard that turkeys are not very smart. Well, that's not true. Turkeys can be just as smart as other animals. They can learn to get along with people and other animals, and they can even learn from each other. So now you know all about Thanksgiving's famous bird, the turkey.
Well, friends, that brings us to the end of our day. Today, we are going to have a great rest of our day. Be nice to mommies and daddies and brothers and sisters while we're home. I will have more videos for you next week for Monday and Tuesday. Have a wonderful day. I miss you and I love you all so much. Mwah.